start by entering the local address in the browser bar. On the home page, user will only have the option to view the listings in the auction. Log in and register new user. To log user need to register a user. On the registration page, user enter his username, email, first name, last name, password. After registration, the user will be allowed to log in, where user enter his username and password. Once logged in, more options will appear in the menu. In the listing on the auction page, user can add or remove listing from the watch list, enter comments, and close the auction of the item, so that the listing is removed from the auction list, but can be seen in the user's sales list. In the category option, user have the listings by category. And when user click on one of them, the page opens with only listing from the chosen category, where user have the same options as the auction listing. On the auction creation listing page, user must enter the title description and start it, and optionally a URL for the image and category. Log out, close the section. Sold to see the sales made. In buys, users see their winning bids. Returning to active lintings, it is possible to make bids, where the minimum bid value is displayed. If we increase it to 130, the next value must be greater than 130. If we increase it again to 135, the minimum value will be 135 until the auction is closed. If the user logs out, the initial, not interable situation returns.